National Weather Service in Lake Charles has extended the flash flood warning for St. Mary Parish in south central Louisiana until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 7 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Morgan City, Franklin, Patterson, Jeanette, Berwick, Bayou Vista, Blackwood, Patterson Memorial Airport, Sheraton, Sorrel, Glencoe, Amelia, and Centerville. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding